what's interesting about the rhombus is generally a CEO type of shape, achievement-oriented, focus on success. Another interesting parallel when I was talking with Kim, because we kind of moved out of the workplace, she said a rhombus generally does well in a relationship with a diamond. And so she began to explain to me, she had a couple that she was coaching, and for whatever reason, the rhombus saw things a certain way, but they were married to an oval. And what caused the challenge in the relationship is the oval came from a very heart-centered place, but the rhombus is like, why can't you just figure it out? And she said what she had to help the rhombus understand is the value of an oval, and the oval understanding how the rhombus was wired. So the rhombus is a very bottom line, let's make it happen, how do we do this? And that rhombus, one of the greatest gifts of a rhombus is to understand who are the people that are close to them, that are giving them feedback, that can help them be better, and how do they value that person, okay? So triangles are all about, I'm inventing this project, and I need my alone time to work on what's really important to me because it makes you come alive. And that triangle, if you will give them a challenge, they will go and start to figure out, oh, it could be this, it could be that. And if you just leave them alone, they're okay. So the square shape is not just about survival, but it's also understanding that they like systems, they like things in a certain manner, but they also come alive when they're in that environment that celebrates their wiring instead of tolerates their wiring. Meaning, how am I received, how am I heard, how am I seen in the organization? All right? So the diamond shape, one of my favorite, these are your folks who are very OCD. Diamonds like things in a certain order. Diamonds like structure. They like systems. They're like 2 comes after 1, 3 comes after 2. It's how they're wired. Doesn't mean that there's anything wrong. It's just how they're wired.